So good morning students. Yesterday we discussed about preparation of physical properties of alcohols and phenols and its chemical reactions. So chemical reaction based on cleavage. So cleavage of OH bond. So alcohols and act as nucleophiles or electrophiles due to cleavage of OH bond and CO bond. That means RO bond. So cleavage of OH bond is it is act as nucleophile. Cleavage of CO bond it is act as electrophile. That is protonated alcohols. So yesterday we discussed one reactions involving cleavage of OH bond. In that acidity of alcohols and phenols, that is first reason is reaction with metals. So whenever alcohols and phenols react with sodium, potassium, aluminum and etc. some metals, so it is gives a corresponding alkoxide and phenoxides, allyl oxides corresponding. So this reaction is explain the alcohols and phenols having acidic nature. So coming to the next acidity of alcohols, it is very important topic. So acidity of alcohols. So acidity of alcohols is due to the polar nature of OH bond. So polar nature of OH bond means what? Polar nature. So ROH bond is so polarity. This is alcohols. So generally, what is the acid? Acid means what? Which substances donate the H plus ion molecule. H plus ions is called acids. Like H2SO4 releases the H plus ion. That's why it is acid. HCl it is released the H plus ion. That's why it is acid. And nitric acid HNO3 it is released the H plus ion. This is the acids. So like this alcohols also release the H plus ion. So that is depending on which groups? That depending on alkyl groups. That is depending on alkyl groups. So this OH bond is breaking. This OH bond is ionization, polarization, polar nature. OH bond is polar nature. This RO minus is produced plus H plus. Okay. So RO minus is there. So RO minus already it is negative charge. Then it is depending on this group only. This stability is there. Okay. So RO minus and H plus. So which type of alcohols is there? R means what? Carbon atom. So ethyl, methyl, propyl or alcohols are so many types, primary, secondary, tertiary alcohol, which is the more acidic nature. That is very important. Is it clear what I am saying? So OH bond, cleavage of OH bond. Okay. So acidity of alcohols due to the polar nature of OH bond. Polar nature. Why polar nature means positive and negative charge. This hydrogen is as a H plus ion, oxygen O minus, R O minus. So this R O minus stability is depending on R groups. R groups means what? Methyl, ethyl, propyl, or primary carbon, secondary carbon, tertiary carbon. That means different alcohols is there. Primary, secondary, tertiary alcohols is there. Is it clear? So in this also same we discuss. See, acidity of alcohols due to the polar nature of OH bond. So electronic releasing group. An electronic releasing group is increase. An electronic important this point. And electronic groups increase. So methyl, ethyl, so etc. All alkyl group. The electronic releasing groups increase the electron density. The electronic groups is electronic groups. It is methyl, ethyl, etc. All alkyl group. Increase electron density. Increase electron density on oxygen atom and tending to decrease the polarity of polarity nature, polarity of OH bond, decrease the polarity of OH bond. See, very important. So an electronic releasing groups increase electron density on oxygen atom, tending to decrease the polarity of OH bond. So electronic releasing groups increase. So electron density on oxygen atom is what happened? Increase. So atom tending to decrease the polarity of OH bond. Is it clear? Very important. Electronic releasing groups increase. So electron density increase on oxygen atom and it is tending to decrease the polarity of OH bond. So let us see. Here is how many. So acidic strength of alcohols we discuss here. So how many types already know? Primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, tertiary alcohol. So basic alcohols. So which one is more acidic nature? See the acidic nature. So R CH2OH. This is primary alcohol. R CHOG. This is secondary alcohol. And R, this is tertiary alcohol. This is primary alcohol. Primary, simply. This is secondary. Simply I will write primary, secondary, tertiary. Primary alcohol. This is secondary. This is tertiary. See, primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, and tertiary alcohol. So among these three, which one is more acidic nature? Primary alcohol is more acidic nature than secondary. Secondary is more acidic nature than tertiary alcohol. So it is very, very important. Which alcohol is more acidic nature? Primary alcohol is more acidic nature than secondary. So why? Because already in electron releasing groups, increasing the electron density on oxygen atom, tending to decrease the polarity of OH. See, already oxygen, what is the acidic nature? H plus ion is liberated. So after releasing of H plus ion, so this negative charge is there. Here is also negative charge. This is also negative charge. So for your understanding, I will write once again that is an electronic releasing groups increasing the electron density on oxygen atom and tending to decrease the polarity of OH bond. See, for your understanding, after releasing of R CH2O minus, okay, and R CHO minus and R O minus. See, after releasing of H plus ion. So among this one, which one is more acidic nature? This one is more acidic. This one. Primary, second. Why? Because see, here is alkyl group is what? This alkyl group is what? This one alkyl group. Here is two alkyl group. Here is three alkyl group. So this alkyl group is what? Electronic releasing groups. All alkyl groups. So electronic releasing groups. See, electron density. See, electron releasing group na. This is also electronic releasing group na. This is also electronic releasing group na. So electron groups, whenever alkyl groups increasing the electron density on oxygen atom, already it is negative charge. Already it is excess of. So once again it is released of this oxygen. Then what happened? More oxygen. One alkyl group is increasing the electron density on oxygen atom. So comparatively it is polarity of OH bond is decreased. But here is two alkyl group, two electronic releasing group. Here is three electronic releasing group. So more electron density are present on oxygen atom. So more two alkyl, more electron density. That's why comparatively which one is more acidic nature? Primary alcohol is more acidic nature than secondary alcohol than tertiary alcohol. This is very, very important. Acidic nature of alcohols. Which one is more acidic nature? Primary alcohol is more acidic nature than secondary alcohol. Secondary alcohol is more acidic nature than tertiary alcohol. Is it clear? Primary alcohol is more acidic nature. Electronic releasing group increasing the electron density on oxygen atom. This is also electron. This is a complete electron density towards oxygen atom. Here is one alkyl, here is two alkyl, here is three alkyl. So more electron, already it is oxygen having negative charge. Why? Because after losing of H plus ion, after releasing of H plus ion, oxygen getting negative charge. This negative charge is stabilized by this group only. But here is oxygen is you have more money. You have more extra only. You have sufficient only 10 rupees, but you have more 100 rupees. So once again people come and give to you, so you are not taking. Okay, or otherwise you have to take in food sufficient. So once again you have to take food, so it is not entering our mouth, it is not entering our digestive system. Why? Because already you have sufficient. Here also same thing, already it is having sufficient negative charge. Once again it is ready to give this one alkyl group. This is also two alkyl, this is three alkyl group. So all are giving. So whenever electronic releasing group decreases the acidity of alcohol. So this point is simply remember electronic releasing groups decreasing the acidity of alcohol. This point you remember. Electronic releasing groups. ERG means electronic releasing group. Electronic releasing groups. Releasing groups decreases the acidity of alcohols. This point is very, very important. And another point, electronic withdrawing group, EWG. electronic withdrawing group, electronic withdrawing groups, electronic withdrawing groups increase the acidity of alcohols, increase the acidity of alcohols. These points, 2 points are very important. See, electronic releasing groups decrease the acidity of alcohols. Electronic withdrawing groups increase the acidity of alcohol. Electronic releasing groups, which groups? All alkyl groups. Electronic withdrawing groups is, why electronic withdrawing? This is electronic withdrawing group. Now this negative charge is pulling from this oxygen atom. So this if in case alkyl group is electronic withdrawing group, this electron withdrawing group, this attract this negative charge towards this side. So that's why it is stabilized. Okay, so electronic withdrawing group increasing the acidity of alcohols, electronic releasing group decrease the acidity of alcohols. It is very, very important. So electronic withdrawing group is increasing the acidity of alcohols, electronic releasing group is decrease the acidity of alcohols, depending on groups only. Alkyl groups are electron releasing groups. That's why primary alcohol is more acidic nature than secondary alcohol, then tertiary alcohol. Primary alcohol is more acidic nature than secondary alcohol, then tertiary. It is clear. It is very, very important. Okay. And next one is alcohols are weaker acids than water. Alcohols are weaker acids than water. This can be explained by equation. So alcohols are weaker acid than water. See, RO minus plus water gives rise to ROH plus OH minus. See, here is RO minus, it is act as base. It is base. It is acid. It is conjugate acid. Conjugate acid. It is conjugate base. So alcohols are weaker acid than water. This is explained to this equation. This is alcohols are weaker acids. Alcohols are weaker acids than water. Alcohols are weaker acids than water. This is explained by this equation. See, here is RO minus, alkoxide ion, alkoxide ion. Here is water, H2O. H2O is, here is ROH and OH. This above reaction is explained so water is stronger acid than alcohols. So alcohol is weaker acid than water. So here is proton donor is what? Water. That's why water is a stronger acid. Water is the proton donor. So water is proton donor. That's why water is stronger acid than alcohol. Water is stronger acid than alcohol. That is only reason. Water is donate the proton atom to alkoxide ion. That's why it is acid. So water is stronger acid than alcohol. That's why water is the stronger acid than alcohols. See, and another one, the above reaction is alkoxide ion. So alkoxide ion and hydroxide ion. So alkoxide ion is a stronger base than hydroxide ion. So why? Because alkoxide ion is, okay, so alkoxide ion is, it is having, so alkoxide ion is stronger base than alkoxide ion, stronger base, because due to it is easily accept the easily accept of proton. See, alkoxide ion is stronger base due to it is acceptor of H plus ion, accept of H plus ion, easily accept the H plus ion. That's why it is stronger base. However, sodium hydroxide and alkoxide, which one is stronger base? Alkoxide ion is stronger base than sodium hydroxide. Why? Because sodium hydroxide is sodium. For example, sodium methoxide. Okay, sodium methoxide is C2H5O Na. Sodium methoxide is stronger base than sodium hydroxide. Why? Because already know. So alkoxide, that is sodium alkoxide, that is whatever is there, sodium alkoxide, whatever is there. So alkoxide, ethoxide, here is alkoxide. Alkoxides are stronger base than hydroxide, correct na? Alkoxide are stronger base than hydroxide. So why? Because this alkoxide is easily accept the proton, easily acceptor of proton ion. So that's why, so alkoxide ion is stronger base than hydroxide ion. Alkoxide ion is stronger base than hydroxide ion, easily accept the proton. So that's why sodium ethoxide is the stronger base than sodium hydroxide. See, it is clear. So simply, alkoxide ion is stronger base than hydroxide ion. Water is stronger acid than alcohols. Very very important. Alkoxide ion is stronger base than hydroxide ion. Why? Because alkoxide ion is easily accept the proton atom. Alkoxide ion is easily accept the proton. See, and water is stronger acid than alcohols. Why? Because water, this above reaction, water donate the H+ ion to alkoxide ion. See, very very important. Water is stronger acid than stronger acid than alcohols, and alkoxide ion is stronger acid than hydroxide ion. Why? Because here is the above reaction, alkoxide ion is accept the proton from water molecules. That's why it is become a alcohols. That's why alkoxide ion is the stronger base. Then hydroxide ion. Alkoxide ion is very very important. Alkoxide ion stronger base. Stronger base. Then hydroxide ion. Hydroxide ion. See, alkoxide is stronger base than hydroxide ion. It is clear. So which alcohol is more? Alcohols are less weaker acid than water. Alcohols are weaker acid than water molecule, and alkoxide ion stronger acid than hydroxide ion. Why? Because in alkoxide ion is easily accept the proton from water molecules. So water is easily donate the stronger acid. Why water is stronger acid? It is proton donor. It is proton donor to alkoxide ion. Stronger acid water. Why? Because it is easily proton donor only. Proton donor. So however, alkoxide is the stronger base than hydroxide ion. Why? Because in alkoxide ion it is accept the proton, acceptor of proton. Okay. See, however, alcohols are act as so alkoxide ion alcohols are act as Bronsted bases. Alcohols are act as Bronsted bases. So alcohols are act as Bronsted bases. Bronsted bases means what? Proton donor is Bronsted acid. Proton acceptor are Bronsted bases. So this is due to what? Alcohols are act as Bronsted bases. Why? Because alcohols act as Bronsted acid also and Bronsted bases also. Why? Because in these alcohols, ROH group, in these alcohols, so one unshared pair of electron is present. In alcohols, unshared pair of electrons is present. See, unshared, two unpaired lone pair of electrons is present. This easily accept the proton. It is easily accept the proton. That's why alcohols are act as Bronsted bases. Is it clear? So alcohols here, alcohols are weaker acid than water, and alkoxide ion is stronger base than hydroxide ion. Why? Because easy accept the better. It is better accept the proton or easily accept the proton atom. See, important these points. And alcohols are act as Bronsted bases. Why? Because so oxygen atom having two unshared pair of electrons is there. This is it is donate the proton. Okay, it is accept the proton easily. It is accept the proton. So proton acceptor is called Bronsted base. Proton donor is called Bronsted acid. Already know this previous first physical. What is the Bronsted acid and base? Bronsted acid means proton donor. Bronsted base means proton acceptor. So it is proton acceptor. Why? Because two unpaired pair of electrons is present in central oxygen atom. So that's why it is alcohols are act as Bronsted bases. So this is the acidity of alcohols. So here is important point, which alcohol is more acidic nature. So which alcohol? Primary, secondary, tertiary alcohol. Which alcohol? Primary alcohol is more acidic nature than secondary, then tertiary alcohols. Why? Because electronic releasing group increases, electron acidic nature of alcohols is decreased. Electron withdrawing group is increased, acidic nature of alcohols is increased. These 3 points we remember. Very very important. So which alcohol is more acidic nature? Primary alcohol is more acidic nature than secondary, then secondary alkali is more acidic nature than tertiary. So electronic releasing group is decreases the acidic nature of alcohols, and electronic withdrawing group is increasing the acidic nature of alcohols. This is the acidity of phenols. Acidity of alcohols.